Does a leopard tiptoe?
Walking on my little feet. So much.
Stretch up high and wiggle slow. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Swing your neck from side to side. Feel the beat and move with pride. Stretch up high and wiggle slow. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Does a leopard tiptoe slow? Not today, he's stealing the show. With a hop and a bop and a big leap spin, he's grooving wild with the jungle grin. Dance, dance, jungle feet, clap your hands to leopard beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, shake your tail and swing with me. Dance, dance, jungle feet, clap your hands to leopard beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, shake your tail and swing with me.